Hello guys, this is a different type of video than I normally do, as I'm sure that you can already tell. Currently I am at my cabin, which is in Wisconsin, and it's about 18 degrees Fahrenheit, so for all of my Celsius friends, I will put on the screen right now what that is, because I'm not sure off the top of my head, but at my cabin I have this amazing back lot that is pretty large, and it's pretty untouched nature, which is really cool. So that is where I am right now, and I will give you guys a look here. It's really quiet here, which is really nice. It's quite peaceful. So yeah, here's where I am. It's one of my favorite places, just because of how quiet and peaceful it is. But believe it or not, even though it's this cold, I do have some cubes in my pockets, which I will pull out in a second here. Let me just find a good spot. I do think that this video will go largely unedited, just because of kind of being in nature is kind of nice, and might be a refreshing video for a change. Once in a great while there's some wildlife around here, so perhaps we would get lucky. Let me just find a good spot here. It's a nice bluebird sunny day here, so that is always wonderful. It's pretty nice for a change, because where I live it's been pretty cloudy recently. It's pretty nice, huh? It's really quiet. If you just kind of do nothing, you can kind of hear the trees rattling against each other. It's really nice. I'm not sure how well that comes through on the camera. But anyway, this wouldn't be a video on my channel if it wasn't for having some cubes. Set up my little tripod here. Let's go this way so the sun isn't too bad. Alright. Take my gloves off, even though my hands are already kind of cold. I brought back a GAN 354M and a Volt V2M Score 1, which are two of my favorite cubes to solve on right now. So I'm not sure how warm my hands will be for this, so there'll probably be some pretty slow solves. But we will go ahead and give this a nice hand scramble, maybe do a average of 5 or something. So nice outside, apart from it being cold, of course, but alright, I will go ahead and do an inspection. Not sure how well you guys can actually see the puzzle. I'll come a little bit closer. Maybe you can see it a little better now. I actually haven't cubed in quite a long time due to school, among other things. So nice to be cubing again. And there we go. First solve done. Kind of just looking around every now and then to see if we can get lucky and see some wildlife. A lot of times there's deer back here, which are really friendly animals, by the way. Every now and then you'll see some, but it doesn't look like there's any in our area. It's also daytime. They're usually not out as much in daytime. Alright. Oh, that wasn't a very good cross, but it's alright. We're just casual solving. Not trying to go fast or anything. There's solve number 2. So nice. I just can't get over it. This whole area is so cool. It's a woodpecker somewhere around here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that on camera. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think it's somewhere over there, but there's definitely a woodpecker around here. That's cool. Alright, solve number 3. Let's see here. Oh, messed up, but big deal. Almost there. Ooh, a J-perm, my favorite. Solve number 3. We'll just go into solve number 4 here. I probably won't put any music over this video. If there is any music, obviously you guys will be listening to it right now, but more than likely I won't edit that into the video, just so you guys can experience the nature here. Here's solve number 4. Yeah. I think really the only reason that I'm really doing this video is because I think cubing videos in general are 99% of the time indoors, which makes sense. I mean, you don't really ever have an option to cube outside too much. Not to mention when it's cold, but here I am. But I think that filming outdoors in general, or just really being outdoors, is kind of a morale booster. So maybe you guys can catch a drift of that, the sun and everything that's around here. A lot of trees above me, it's pretty cool. Okay, solve number 5, here we go. Oh, messed that up, okay. If you guys would like me to film outside a little bit more, just let me know in the comments, because personally I love doing these kinds of videos. These are my favorite ones where I get to escape the normal cubing stuff for a while. It's pretty nice to be able to do that. I'm really thankful to have this whole area around here. It's really cool. Alright, well there was 5 solves on a 3x3. Probably won't time it or anything, so I don't really know what that would have been, but here is a square 1. I'll probably just do a solve or 2 on the square 1 just because my hands are getting cold. Oh my gosh, I was just mixing it up and I accidentally solved it. That's interesting. I hear a car way off in the distance. There's a road about a 1/3 mile away or so. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that once again. But here we go. First solving the square 1. Hands are pretty cold, so they aren't moving too fast right now, but that's alright. Okay. We're getting there. This video would go a lot quicker if I was actually good at cubing, but it's alright. You don't need to be good to make wholesome videos. Oh geez, what did I do? Messed up. Alright, I messed up a little bit, but at least it's still in a cube shape, so it's alright. This is probably going to be like a 2.5 minute solve, but certainly not going for time here. Oh, parity algorithm. This one feels a little bit weird with cold fingers. And just about there. And done. Square one solve. My hands are pretty cold right now, so I'm probably going to call it there, but if you guys like these type of videos, do let me know, because these are really fun for me to make. I'll give you one last look around here, just in the quiet. Despite how cold it is, the sun feels quite nice. Yeah, really is amazing out here. Hopefully you guys liked this. If you want me to do some more videos like this, a comment letting me know would be very much appreciated. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.